Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. This is the second time, or maybe more than that I've seen this. And I actually saw something similar on a big YouTube channel years ago. I'm not going to mention the name because, you know, it gets really dramatic. But when I saw it, I was really disgusted with that type of training. And then I saw it here again. I'm about to show you a video so you guys can see this. And just for you guys kind of understand how this is not cool, right? The purpose of training is for you to learn and get better. The purpose of training is to identify things that you need to improve, things that you need to learn, things that you need to work on. The purpose of training is not to put your life at risk. I mean, what do I know? As a platoon sergeant and a platoon commander in the United States Marine Corps, I mean, I train many Marines. But the purpose of training is to teach people how to do something better in a safe environment. You want to have a positive outcome, not somebody getting shot. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm about to show you this. Before I get into that, you know what to do. If you want to support the channel, Jarhead 6, you can support me on Patreon. You could be a member of the channel. You could simply use our affiliate links. I appreciate when you guys do that and all that good stuff. You guys are amazing. Let me share my screen here. Make sure you subscribe to the Jarhead 6 Ride channel where I ride my motorcycle. And here it is. Mr. Guns and Gear, you know, posted that. Big shout out to Mr. Guns and Gear. Awesome dude. So let's start from the beginning right here. All right, so obviously, here's what we got. Let me just, I don't think I need to paint the picture, but they have a guy shooting between two people. And in fact, if you look right here to the right, there's other people there. I think that everybody knows that when you start shooting guns, everybody should be behind you, you know, nothing in front of you, for training purpose, obviously, you know. But again, you know, I don't know what the point of this is. Maybe to try to create some type of stress. That's what they're going for. Maybe, I have no idea. But again, you know, there's so many other different ways that you could create stress before putting people's life at risk. Let me just be quite simple in here. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. You should not be part of this. And if you ever go into a class that you see this type of behavior, you need to stop right away and you need to walk away. Walk away. I mean, I'm telling you to run. If you see this, run. This is horrific. You know, this guy could have killed somebody. Very, very simple. So let's play here so you guys can check it out.
E aí, presidente?
I mean, obviously, they're not speaking English, so this is something from a different country or something like that. You saw the smoke and all that in the background from the rounds impacting the dirt pile or whatever back there. So again, I just wanted to show you this because not only I've seen this, obviously this is not in the United States, or at least there's people not speaking English, but I've seen this specifically here in the gun community where I saw a gun channel a few years ago that kind of conducted the same thing in order to make a point that he was trying to address. This is unsafe. This is unacceptable. Don't ever put yourself in this kind of situation. And if you see this, run. Big shout out to Mr. Guns and Gear. He's always posting great things in Twitter, so make sure you follow him as well. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.